Don't let the blue screen of death get you down. I will show you how to fix this problem step by step. So let's begin. Click on Advanced Options, select Troubleshoot, then click on Advanced Options. Now select Command Prompt. Now execute this command carefully. Type chkdsk /f/r c : and hit enter to execute this command. Now type c : and hit enter. Type cd space c : / and hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space Windows and hit enter to execute the command. Type cd space system32 and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space config and simply hit enter. Now execute this command carefully. Type in md space backup and simply hit enter to execute it. Now type copy space ** space backup and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type md space backup1 and simply hit enter. Now type copy ** backup1 and simply hit enter to execute the command. Type in cd space regback, then simply hit enter. Execute this command. Type dir, then simply hit enter. Type copy space ** space .. and hit enter. Then type all and simply hit enter to execute the command. Let's move to the next command. Type in bootrec space / fixmbr and hit enter to execute the command. Type bootrec space / fixboot and hit enter. Type cd space c : / and hit enter. Now type this command cd space Windows / system32 / config / regback and simply hit enter to execute the command. Type bcdedit space / export space c : / bcd backup and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now execute this command. Type cd space c : / and hit enter. Now type this md space boot and hit enter. Type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now execute this command. Type cd space c : / and hit enter. Now type attrib c : / boot / bcd -h -r -s and hit enter. Now type ren space c : / boot / bcd space bcd.old, then simply hit enter to execute this command. Type bootrec space / rebuildbcd and hit enter. Type exit and hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.